Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get additional weapon skills in Dragon's Dogma 2. To do this, first you will need to find the guild master inside of the city. So he's around right here in the main Vernworth city. Now we can talk to him. And then select acquire/equip skill. And right here you can find weapon skills. You can scroll down to see all of the options, then click on acquire if you want to equip one of the skills. And keep in mind that it also costs this DCP currency, and after you acquire them you can equip them to one of the slots right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.